What's going on, guys? In today's video, I want to talk about passive income and how in the last 31 days, I think it was in April, I've made $1,679 every single day. And I want to tell you how I did that and explain to you how important passive income is, especially with all the opportunities out there now that we have to actually make passive income. It's a lot different. Back in the day, you could only really purchase property and stuff like that to make passive income, but now times have changed. So I'm going to explain to you the 3 ways I did make this money. I have subtracted off around about 30% because around about 30% of it was from paid ads. So I've taken that off, and these other 3 methods are completely free traffic methods and how I made this passive income online without doing any work. I didn't do any work in April for these particular methods. Now, before we jump in, guys, I have done videos like this before, and I do want to kind of stress what passive income is and what it isn't. So usually after the videos, I have questions like, hey, is drop shipping passive income? What about day trading? I do want to stress that those 2 methods, guys, are not passive income. First of all, day trading requires a lot of research every single day. People seem to get confused with having stocks long-term and day trading. So if you put, say, $20,000 into a fund and it gives you dividends and gives you money over time for a long period of time, that's obviously passive income. Day trading requires a lot of research upfront, usually on a daily basis, to find the best things to trade against or with or whatever you're trying to do. Drop shipping, very highly unlikely that it's passive income for you because it requires you to have a full team and you not to really be involved anymore. And when you're drop shipping, it does take a while to get to that point. So at that point, it is passive income, but at the moment, it's probably not for you. So day trading, drop shipping, and I'm also going to exclude course sales because that's not passive income for me right now because I still do a lot of work on the back end of my course. So before we jump into these 3 methods, guys, I just want to, kind of mention that a lot of people quit with passive income, and it's the wrong thing to do. So they won't see much money up front, and they might see like $1 a week or a couple of dollars a week, and they're like, oh, this sucks, it doesn't work. But it snowballs, guys, and once it gets to this, it's kind of like this level. Once it gets past this specific level, it just snowballs. And if you watch the end of this video, I'm going to explain to you how I'm going to basically 3 times this, 4 times this, 5 times this, and take this to the next level over the next couple of years, and hopefully get to like I want to get to $10,000 a day doing these, especially one of these methods, which is the first method, which we're going to talk about right now. So what's the first method, guys? The first method, I want you to first think about real estate. Now we're talking about online stuff here, but think about real estate. To invest in real estate and create passive income, you need to go to the bank, you need to get a mortgage, you need to get tenants, and you get paid rent, and that rent goes back to the mortgage payments, and eventually you start to get, your loan goes down and you start to get more passive income as time goes on. The number one way that I make passive income, guys, with free traffic and stuff is blogging and affiliate marketing. So what I do, guys, is I kind of pretend that a blog is a property that I've purchased. I start a blog from nothing. It's literally zero. It makes it $0. And I think, okay, I'm just going to keep building this up, kind of like passive income with a property. The more, when tenants pay you, your mortgage goes down and you get more in return over time. So I start these blogs, guys, and I get a commission via promoting specific products, but it's a very slow process, and that's the problem. People don't like that slow process. Now, I think blogging and affiliate marketing is probably the best way for any beginner to start with passive income because it truly is passive, and you can go for months, weeks, or even years without actually doing anything once you've established a blog. So how did I make the money, guys? Let's get into that. With the blog, guys, I have multiple blogs. I have heaps of blogs. I've lost count of how many blogs I have. But right now I have around 5 of my 5 blogs that are my main blogs and make me the most money. And I promote affiliate products. So in this video, guys, what I've added into the number that I've made every single day, I've made money from Bluehost, Thrive Leads, a program called ClickFunnels, which are software programs, Get Response, and I also have an article where I go out and review themes, and I get commissions when people click on those links and go and purchase themes from those companies. Now, I do make commissions from other affiliate products as well that I've added into this total, but we would probably be here for a long time if we went through all of them to get like $20 from this one, $10, $5 from this one per month, and it all adds up. But that is the number one way, guys, that I make passive income every single month without doing any work from blogging. Now, what if I have to do work? What if I have to do more articles, guys? I don't do that now. I have a team that does that for me. So this is literally In April, we didn't do anything. We just didn't do nothing. But this is literally 100% passive for me. And all I've got to do is pay my article writers every now and then to put more content up. But I've even got one blog that I haven't put a post on for 2 years, guys, and it still makes me passive income today. So honestly, if you're a beginner online, I swear, blogging and affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money. Passive income. You know, you've got these people that say, hey, do social media marketing and stuff. Like, you have to be good at Facebook ads. You have to cold call companies. And like, do you even know how to cold call companies? You need to actually have skills to do that. So you've got to cold call someone. Then you've got to learn how to do Facebook ads. With blogging, you just go out there and start writing content. It's crazy. It's one of the easiest ways to make money online, but you need to wait, guys. So it takes like 3, 4, 5, 6 months. It can even take up to a year to start seeing good results from a blog doing affiliate marketing, and you can do it in any niche, guys. Now, passive income stream number 2 is my YouTube. Now, what I have done is I have not included any videos from that I uploaded in April. So all this income is from videos that I've uploaded in the past. Now, there's always people that say, hey, it's impossible to make this much money from this channel with so many low subscribers. 100,000, that is low when you are about to hear how much money this channel makes. But you got to remember that this is a high CPM niche. So this particular niche, people pay a lot of money to advertise to. Now, I have one video that has over 640,000 views now, and that video alone has made me, I can't tell you exactly, I'm going to do a video on this, but it's made me over $15,000 just that one video. This channel makes like 300 plus per day. So with this channel alone, with like kind of brought it back a little bit. I can't tell you exactly, guys, but this channel does make 5 figures per month in YouTube revenue. Now, the reason I like YouTube, guys, is because once again, anyone can do this. It's free. And another thing that people always say to me is, but you have subscribers. I'm not going to make any money. I started with 0 subscribers. It's kind of like, that's always my reply was like, well, I had no subscribers either. And if you go look at my old videos, they're horrible, but those old videos still make me money. $50 a day, $60 a day. I got videos that I did 3 years ago. They make me $10 per day, right? Fully passive income. So YouTube is another great way, guys, and it's essentially free traffic. Well, it is free traffic unless you're doing retargeting ads or something like that, but it's free traffic, guys. And YouTube and blogging kind of go hand in hand, because you can do a blog and then you can do a YouTube channel about your blog, and you can post links to your blog, and the other way around, you can put your YouTube channel on your blog. So kind of go and find the niche, and I recommend doing a blog and a YouTube channel based on that particular niche, and keep going at it, guys. Then you can monetize it later on and start to make money. But just remember, it does take time to start making money. Now, the third way I made money in April, and it's essentially free as well, although I did pay beforehand. So I paid a lot of money kind of last year and started this year to build an email list. This particular email list, I've stopped building leads for, so I've stopped spending money. However, I still do email promotions, guys. And what I do is I send out email promotions to this particular list, and this is all free, and I promote affiliate products. They're actually separate to the ones that I mentioned at the start of this video, because they're other people's courses and all that sort of stuff. Not my courses, but other people's. And so that's how, so essentially it falls in the same category as affiliate marketing. I'm going out there and I'm sending emails with links to products and stuff like that, where I get a commission. Now, I didn't send out too many emails, guys, but I did make money with email marketing. And I did actually forget to mention, one of the ways I've made money in April was promoting one of my softwares that I mentioned in the last video, and that as well was with blogging traffic. So that was around about $19,000 as well. So that's what propped up the money so high. So it's kind of like, so number one is blogging and affiliate marketing, plus my software in there as well. But that's all passive, because I have a team that does that for me, works on that for me. I just use the blog for traffic, then the YouTube, then the email marketing as well, which I did and promoted other people's courses, softwares, products as well. Now, how do I plan to scale this, guys? How do I plan to make more money? Well, it's simple. I have these blogs that are sitting here, multiple blogs, heaps of blogs. I've lost track of how many blogs I have in different niches. And what I do now is I hire writers, cheap writers that cost me like $20 for 1,000 words. And I'm just like, yo, we're just gonna blast content. We're gonna scale this up to the next level. We're just gonna keep blasting content. The more content I put out, the more content we can rank in Google, and obviously the more traffic that I get, guys, to my affiliate offers, to my software, to my course as well, but we didn't add that in because I do a lot of stuff in the back end in that. And email marketing, I can go and send out these blog posts as well in my email marketing if I want to get money that way as well. But guys, you can't quit, okay? There's so many ways to make money online. Number one, blogging with affiliate marketing. That is my favorite. It's like out of all the ways I make money online, this is my favorite passive income stream. Blogging with affiliate marketing. And people think it's dead. It's not dead. In fact, I'm making so much money from my blogs, more than I've made in forever, because it just keeps building up. And then obviously YouTube, guys, that's free to do. And then email marketing, go out and build an email list. And you can use blog, YouTube to go out and build those email lists as well. So that, my friends, is 3 ways I made over $1,600 per day passively in April 2019. Now, if you want to learn how to make some more money online, guys, I'll leave some videos up on the screen, and I'll also leave a playlist. Tap that video, tap that playlist to go, and it's completely free. You can watch that for completely free right now. And don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, drop a like on this video, guys, and I'll see you in one of the next videos.